The vessel is identified as MV Cueva, who is close approaching at the port of Busan, South Korea. Port service, this is MV Cueva. How do you read me? Over.
MB Cuiba, this is port service. A radio good change to channel 12 over.
Port service, this is MV Cueva. Change to channel 12 over.
MB Cuiba, this is port service. What is your ETA at pilot station over?
Port service, my ETA at pilot station is 2200 hours local time over.
MB Cuiba, what is your call sign over?
Port service, my call sign is Delta Whiskey Kilo Echo 7 over.
MB Cuiba, what is your last port of call and gross tonnage over?
Port service, my last port of call was Canada and my gross tonnage is 49255 over.
MB Cuiba, are you carrying dangerous goods over?
Port service, we do not carry dangerous goods over.
MB Cuiba, your message is loud and clear. Your must call when you pass the Buoy Delta Romeo 4 on channel 12 over.
Port service, we will call when we pass Buoy Delta Romeo 4 on channel 12 over.
Cuiba, standby on channel 12 out.
Shut up, count your calories.
Port service, this is MB Cuiba channel 12 over.
MV Cueva, this is port service. I read you loud and clear. Go ahead, over.
Port service, we are passing reporting point Delta at 2115 hours local time over.
MV Cueva, I read you loud and clear. You must call when you bird at per 3, over.
Port service, we read you loud and clear. We will call when we bird at per 3 over. Port service, this is MB Cuiba over.
MV Cueva, this is port service. Go ahead, over.
Port service, we drop at station Western Delta bearing 275 over.
MV Cueva, I read you loud and clear. Stand by at channel 12 for next instruction, over. MV Cueva, this is port service, over.
Port service, this is MB Cuiba. Proceed over.
MV Cueva, you can now proceed to per 3 at 2210 local time, over. Port service, we read you loud and clear. We will wait until the pilots arrive and proceed to per 3, over. MV Cueva, stand by on channel 12, over.
Port service, we will stand by and channel 12 out.